Are you tired of itchy bites and buzzing pests? You're in the right place. In this video, we reveal the powerful natural scent that mosquitoes absolutely hate. We will show you how to make a DIY mosquito repellent spray using simple ingredients. Let's start by discussing why mosquitoes are drawn to you. They are attracted to body heat, carbon dioxide, and even certain scents. Knowing this helps us understand how to repel them effectively. Next, let's explore the 3 smells that mosquitoes can't stand. These are citronella, lemon eucalyptus, and clove with thyme oils. Using these essential oils is key to a successful mosquito repellent. Now, let's get into the ingredients you'll need for your all-natural spray. You'll need citronella essential oil, lemon eucalyptus oil, clove and thyme oil, witch hazel or vodka, distilled water, and optionally, vanilla extract for a pleasant scent. It's time for a step-by-step tutorial. First, gather all your ingredients. In a spray bottle, combine 10 drops of citronella, 10 drops of lemon eucalyptus, and 5 drops of clove and thyme oil. Add 2 ounces of witch hazel or vodka and fill the rest with distilled water. Shake well to mix. Now, let's conduct a real-life bite test. Spray the mixture on your skin, avoiding your face, and head outside to see the results. You should notice significantly fewer mosquito bites. To keep mosquitoes away all season, remember these pro tips. Reapply your spray every few hours, especially after swimming or sweating. Keep essential oils fresh and well stored. In summary, you've learned why mosquitoes are attracted to you, which scents repel them, and how to create your own effective spray. This solution is safe for kids, pets, and the environment. Plus, it smells amazing. Now we challenge you to try this DIY recipe and share your results in the comments. Do you have your own repellent recipe? Share it, and you might be featured in our next video. If you're done with mosquito bites, like this video. Subscribe for more natural living tips, and don't forget to share with friends who need this hack now. Are you ready to take action against those pesky mosquitoes? With just a few simple steps, you can create a powerful repellent that not only protects you but also keeps your environment safe. Before you start, think about the natural ingredients you gather. Ensure they're organic and pure for the best results. To begin, find a clear spray bottle to store your mixture. The size doesn't have to be large, just enough to hold your homemade creation. Using a funnel can make the process easier and more efficient, ensuring no spills occur while you fill the bottle. Next, measure out 10 drops of citronella essential oil and carefully add them to the spray bottle. This ingredient is crucial for repelling those bloodsuckers effectively. Following this, you'll add 10 drops of lemon eucalyptus oil, which has been shown to provide additional protection against mosquitoes. Finally, finish off by adding 5 drops of clove and thyme oil, both known for their potent repellent properties. Next, pour 2 ounces of witch hazel or vodka into the spray bottle, as this will act as a preservative and help the oils blend together. Take a moment to admire the vibrant concoction you've created, knowing it's a natural solution to your mosquito woes. Then, fill the remaining space in the bottle with distilled water to dilute the mixture, making it suitable for skin application. Be sure to cap the bottle tightly and shake it vigorously for a few seconds. This step ensures that all the ingredients are thoroughly combined and ready to work their magic against unwanted insects. As you prepare to test your repellent, make sure to select an area with plenty of mosquitoes, such as a garden or near standing water. Give a quick shake to the spray bottle. This will redistribute the oils that may have settled and enhance the spray's effectiveness. Once you're outside, generously apply the mixture to exposed skin, but remember to avoid sensitive areas like your face and eyes. Take a moment to observe your surroundings, and get ready for the results of your homemade repellent in action. It's time to enjoy the outdoors without worrying about those bothersome bites. To ensure maximum effectiveness, consider reapplying your repellent every couple of hours, especially after being in water or sweating. This not only replenishes the effective ingredients but also helps maintain a lovely scent. Additionally, store your essential oils in a cool, dark place to preserve their potency. Take note of the feedback you receive from friends and family who try your mosquito repellent. Their experiences could help improve your recipe and provide great ideas for future natural solutions. Finally, we encourage you to document your experience with this DIY mosquito repellent. Share your insights. You've now equipped yourself with the knowledge to fend off mosquitoes effectively, all while being kind to yourself and the planet. There's no better way to enjoy your outdoor spaces than with a natural remedy that truly works. Happy spraying, and may your summer be bite-free.